Most of the time in PuppyLInux, if you have a rocks filer open, sometimes you may need to readjust the size of the application window. So the default is Control E will make it a correct size, but sometimes you also want it enlarged to the right or left side of the screen, and today we'll discuss how to do that. And for example, if I enter super and right key on my keyboard, it goes to the right, and super and left key goes to the left. And then if I go super and up, it goes maximal. And again, if I do super and W up again, it goes to the default position. So I find this helpful. And one additional keyboard combination is super down. I have it so where it's hidden. So super and down, it's hidden, but I can bring it back up with Alt tab. So that's what we're going to talk about, how to do that with any application in PuppyLInux. Today I'll be working with the FOSSA PUP 64 CE-4 ISO. To enable this feature, what you have to do is open up jwmrc-personal file, which is in root directory .jwm folder. So you open that up, and all you have to do is just add these 4 lines toward the later part of the file, before the command of mouse key and so on. So toward the end, and so you just add these 4 lines and save, and then you can so add these 4 lines and reload the jwmrc-personal file by that typing in this command in the terminal, and then right away you should be able to do this with a super up, and another super up will give you back to the original window, and then super right, super left, super up, and super down, up again. So, and then additional feature of hiding with the super down, which is right here, minimize. So I hope that makes it clear, and I find this very helpful in quickly navigating or making any program snap to a desired position.